Did you know there are millions of square miles of land available to camp for free? Yes, free. The Bureau of Land Management was established on July 16, 1946. It was created through the consolidation of two existing agencies, the General Land Office and the Grazing Services. The Bureau manages approximately 245 million acres of public land, primarily located in the western states. On BLM land, developed campgrounds do require a fee but offer amenities such as campsites, restrooms, picnic tables, fire rings, and even sometimes RV hookups. However, the Bureau of Land Management also allows dispersed camping in many areas, which means camping outside of designated campgrounds. In some cases, dispersed camping on BLM land may be free. No fighting for camp spots, long wait lines, months of advanced booking. Find your spot, pitch up a tent, and you're ready to camp. Here are some tips for dispersed camping. Research and plan. Before heading out, research the specific area that you plan to disperse camp. Look for information on regulations, restrictions, and any permit required. Check if campfires are allowed and if there are any fire restrictions in place. Pack in and pack out and leave no trace. That means no garbage and definitely no littering. You want to leave the location as nice or better as when you arrived. Water and waste management. Bring enough water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Be mindful of water resources and local regulations. Properly dispose of human waste by burying it at least 6 feet deep and well away from any water sources, or bring a waste bag that can be taken with you afterwards. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, enjoy the Zen. And like New says, go enjoy the outdoors.